If you are tired of spending your nights drowning in manual editing, endless clipping, and scheduling chaos, you need to see what Vizard 3.0 can actually do for your content pipeline. This isn't just another editing tool, it is a complete system designed to fix the bottlenecks that make creators want to quit, turning long-form videos into high-performing clips automatically. Today, I am going to walk you through a step-by-step masterclass on using Vizard to streamline your workflow and finally get the engagement your content deserves. Let us start by jumping straight into the dashboard where the magic happens, specifically how you upload your long-form footage to get the process moving. Once your video is uploaded, you will see a simple drop-down menu for platform presets like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts to ensure your aspect ratios are perfect. Right next to those presets, you will find the quality slider that lets you toggle between fast and pro modes depending on whether you need speed or maximum polish. Use the fast setting when you are trying to push out high-volume content, and switch to Pro when you need superior audio processing and smarter frame selection. Now, look at the center of your screen to find the AI Highlights panel, which is the engine room that automatically detects laughs, applause, and high-energy moments. I personally rely heavily on the multi-clip feature, which allows you to generate a series of punchy clips from one single source video without ever needing to scrub through the timeline manually. One of the most powerful yet often ignored features is the creator profile, where you save your brand parameters like fonts, thumbnail styles, and intro text. By locking in these settings, you ensure that every single clip you produce feels cohesive, which is a massive time saver if you are managing content for multiple clients. Let us run through a real-world example where I take a 45-minute tutorial and let Vizard churn out 8 perfectly formatted clips in just a few minutes. The AI is smart enough to handle the thumbnails for you, specifically picking out frames where faces and expressions are engaging enough to stop the scroll. If you are worried about continuity, Vizard handles that too, keeping the speaker consistent so you do not end up with those awkward, jarring jump cuts. But how does the AI actually know what is viral and what is not? It analyzes volume spikes, emotional sentiment, and even specific keyword highlights that signal a winning moment. You can even treat the titles and hooks assistant like a junior copywriter, asking it to generate curiosity-based openings that are specifically designed for your platform. Now we move to the growth engine, Auto Schedule, which completely removes the headache of manually posting your content throughout the week. You simply set your posting frequency, and the system automatically fills your calendar with the best clips, ensuring you stay active without having to be present. You can even pin specific clips you want to prioritize or drag and drop posts in the content calendar to keep everything organized across all your different channels. For those working in a team, the collaboration features allow colleagues to leave comments directly on scheduled items, finally ending the chaotic email chains. I have tested this on podcast episodes, and it was incredible how Vizard managed to pull out those golden nuggets of advice that I had completely forgotten I even said. However, nothing is perfect, so here is a pro tip. Use the expand slider to include a few seconds before and after a highlight to ensure the context stays intact. Another thing to watch out for is background noise. If the audio is a bit muffled, make sure you clean up the transcript before letting the AI do the heavy lifting. If you want the best possible results, always provide the highest quality source audio you have, because the transcription and highlight detection rely heavily on that clarity. Here is the exact workflow I use every single week. Upload the file, generate the creator profile, run the multi-clip process, and then spend a few minutes reviewing the output. When you are trying to grow, focus your efforts on the clips that trigger curiosity or offer a strong lesson, as these consistently outperform generic chatting clips. If you are comparing tools, you might look at Descript or CapCut, but Vizard sits in a unique spot because it combines professional editing with automated high-volume scheduling. It is not trying to replace the need for a creative human editor, but it is effectively replacing all the repetitive, soul-crushing busy work that slows you down. If you really want to dive deep, check out Vizard Academy to learn about thumbnail psychology and hook formulas, which will make your AI-generated clips even more effective. Remember, no AI is going to be perfect right out of the box, but the true magic here is the speed at which you can iterate, test, and find your winning content. The creators who are winning today are the ones who use automation to ship massive volume and then double down on the content that actually gets clicks. Stop overthinking it and just give it a try. Set up your first creator profile, drop in a long video, and see how much friction it removes from your life. You will be surprised at how easy it becomes to squeeze weeks of content from a single recording session, effectively ending the burnout cycle once and for all. I will leave a few examples in the description so you can see the raw footage compared to the finished result, and I am happy to share my custom templates if you ask. See you on the other side, and get ready to finally scale your content creation without losing your mind in the process.